How much is a Sydney helicopter tour? 1. Comfort level. Prices depend on the comfort provided by the helicopter company. Some tours offer more luxurious experiences, while others are more budget-friendly. 2. Duration of the ride. Longer tours typically cost more. Short, scenic flights may be more affordable, while extended tours covering multiple attractions could be pricier. 3. Private versus shared flight. Private tours tend to be more expensive than shared ones. If you prefer exclusivity, you'll pay a premium. Generally, helicopter tours in Sydney fall within the following price range. Cheapest tour, around $1,237 per person. Popular tour, priced at approximately $1,240 per person. Sydney Harbour, scenic helicopter, flight, available for $216.772. Prices can go up to $130 to $1,000, depending on the factors mentioned above. So whether you're seeking breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour, Bondi Beach, or other iconic landmarks, there's a helicopter tour to suit your budget and preferences. Book your adventure and soar above this stunning city. Don't miss more travel guides and tips. Subscribe to the channel with a like for the video and a motivating comment so we can continue publishing.